Hi guys, I am making a video to replace the LCD on a MacBook Air 1466 A1466 EMC2925. The LCD has gone bad on that one. It has lines, green lines, so we are just gonna replace it. So first thing is like open the back cover. I have already unscrewed like 2 screws from the back. I'm gonna put them in here. Now, these are the hinges. This is the display flex, and there are a few more antenna cables we have to remove, and there are 2 more cables that we will have to remove. So the easiest thing is, what you have to do is like to open the MacBook. Okay, and first thing first, disconnect the battery. Okay, so this is the battery, that's all. Once the battery is disconnected, next thing is you can disconnect this guy as well. You can use plastic pry tool, that's better. I have already disconnected the battery, so I was trying to use the metal one, but this is for your display. Okay, and now we have to open this part. And first thing is take this guy out. Okay, and then one flex is here. Remove this one, remove this flex. We need to take this fan out as well so that we can do it easily. And here, 1 second. So we need to get this cable out as well. There you go. Now this speaker out, and now we have to remove the fan because this cable, or I think it goes underneath, so it's better to remove the fan. Actually, I removed the LCD from the actual laptop where I have to replace, and now I'm replacing the LCD from a working one that is for parts. Okay, let's take the fan out, and do not forget to remove this one because this is the fan flex going here. Okay, here is the fan for this guy. Now we have to unscrew this small part here, and let's take this out. Okay, it should come out easily. Here you go. Now the next thing is these 2 antennas. Remove them carefully. Take this flex out. That's it. Now next thing is unscrew these. you go. Now when your screen is open, it's gonna come off easily. Be careful, be gentle, and just remove this. This is the LCD that has been removed. Now put this guy on the side. Get the other laptop and here. So first thing first, insert the LCD, okay, then screw it back. Do not tighten it completely because you may need the other ends to be aligned. And see this antenna, this is gonna go here. You can connect this flex as well because you are done from this side. Okay, make sure it goes all the way in and then flip it back, okay? Now, the next thing is taking this fan and taking this guy. So here is the thing. This one later, but let's do this first. Put the ports in, make sure they are aligned well and they are correctly at place, okay? So here, connect this one, and then we have to not connect, we have to screw it back. cables. When you hear the tick sound, this means it's all the way good. Here you go. All set. This one done. Connected. Now this is the flex. We have to connect, and the last thing, reconnect the battery. Okay, there you go. Okay, so before we put these screws back again, we just need to test it once, okay? So that make sure like our LCD is working. Start the computer. If it does not start, like keep pressing it for some long time. Here you go. You will hear the ding sound, and you see the Apple logo is coming up. Give it some time to start up. Here you go. The display is all perfectly fine, all good. Putting all these screws back.